This is a great idea. Attaboy. Yes. Yes. We've never done this trail backwards. We blew a 30 amp fuse. We stole a 30 amp fuse from Kevin's rig.
Where's that going again? Right over this way.
Oh, and he still wants to go over there. This is attaboy. Yeah, you're going over there. Don't worry. You just get in and make it start. We'll worry about that.
Back to recovery.
Sean's really coming through. We're gonna make him drive down there because it looks like some more rock if he goes around and comes up there. I sure hope it starts. He doesn't pop another 30 amp fuse. Well, big surprise. Sean went to start his rig, and now he's blowing 30 amp fuses. He's blown 2 of them so far, and Kevin is running out of fuses in his rig that we can pull. So now we're debating what size of wire is 30 amps. 18 gauge? Because we're about to make a no fuse. We think the power wire on a starter was hanging down, arcing out on something, because we keep blasting it. Sounding better this time. I do believe he just popped a 3rd fuse and we're running out of fuses. And it's raining again. Just another day in paradise, gents.
The glow plug that was broken.
Oh yeah.
And it's just hanging out the end, so I bet you that's fucking...
It's probably grounding out. Can you pull it out? Or we can tape
Should
it
glow
up to
plugs
something,
working
tape it off to something?
Stop using your glow plugs.
Yeah, we'll do it without the glow plug. What about... Should I just jam it all the way in there? See what I mean? It's right here. It's out.
Yeah, so that's probably grounding out and breaking.
Should I just leave it right there?
Well, if it's not touching anything metal, it'd be fine.
It'll be good.
Did you just pop another fuse though? Because we don't have any more fuses.
Yeah, I could probably... There's like a bunch under here. I doubt they do anything. Do you have a needle nose? I don't think that panel's even live.
Yes!
Oh, you
This
got
keeps getting better.
It does.
I don't know, we're gonna steal.
But 20s... But 20s
I
are
mean,
my
I got
biggest.
one more.
20's your biggest now. Okay.
Yeah, like, what if that did it and that did it?
Well, we sold another 20 amp fuse. Now we're gonna find out how many amps an OM617 needs to start. Ah, 20 amps! Well, we learned something today, kids. An OM617 only needs 20 amps on the starter. Cool. We got lots of 20 amp fuses.
My windshield wipers.
You don't need windshield wipers. I'm your eyes right now. You're just the gas.
Pull the fucking fuse up, put it through your windshield wipers.
Exactly. That's an important 20 amp fuse apparently. We needed that one for the wipers. We're gonna go over here. Why? I don't know. Because no one's ever driven over there before. It's getting dark and it's a terrible idea, so... we're dumber than shit. I don't know where I'm going. We're making it up here as we go. But it looks cool. Yeah, turn in. Oh, it's slippery. Woo, she's slippery. You're good. This is a great idea. Like, you just gotta bump up to where I'm standing. Yeah, keep going. Stay on it. There you go. Head for the boys. Attaboy. Yes. Yes. That's a good climb. Okay. Yes. I think you got to do that one more time and you'll get it. Now all the way. Do the thing. You want to come this way or you want to go that way? I just want to go home. I think you're gonna get it if you fucking man up and hit it.
That's awesome.
Drive up here faster, like like you mean it. That's very close.
Yeah, now back up and do that again, because you're clearing shit off each time, and it's just getting better and better.
You're very
winch up. That's the other option.
Yeah.
Oh, that's no fun. Don't throw that option out there.
Hit it. Yeah, there you go.
Yes. Stay on it.
Back up a bit. Hit it again.
Same thing. Right there.
And carve towards me.
This way. Yes.
Stop. No, he's gonna go down the hill. That tree's gonna stop him.
I think he's got it.
Here.
I'm out.
Yeah.
What do you mean you're out?
Oh,
are
you got
almost
this
out.
shit. Go.
You are almost
it
out.
here,
Keep
yeah.
going.
You need to
guys.
stop listening to the voice of reason over here. Don't listen to the idiots.
So you're going
Like, we can winch you, but it's not a freaking hopeless cause yet.
Same line, 'cause
We haven't got to that point.
all this rock.
Also, well done, and you probably want to finish it because you came all the way up.
You are basically.
You can't not finish it now, like you did the thing.
Shit, guy, you're in good shape.
I think you're okay. Me and Nick think he's okay.
He's in great shape.
I think he's okay. It's way easier when you're driving from over here.
Look, I brought my daily in here, bro. You can do it.
Attaboy.
If that tree was in there, you would have made it up the first time.
Or you would have rolled down the hill either
Nice
way.
work, Sean.
Nice work. You did the thing.
Good job.
That's the way now. See, if it scared you, that means it's good. If it's not scary, it's not good enough. Well, it's starting to get dark out here. We haven't accomplished that much. And Kevin is thinking it's probably time to go home. Couple trails. So it hasn't stopped raining the whole time, so it's awfully moist. Table Rock Trail the wrong way. I don't know if I've ever done it this direction, but we're not in that much of a hurry to get home. Well, Kevin was in kind of a hurry to get home, but then Sean turned this way, so Kevin's coming. I told him his alternative was to come get us in 45 minutes when we're super stuck. I gotta really give it to Sean here for going the trails reverse on the way back down, because we never do that, so. So it might be a terrible idea, but it means more wheeling on the way home. It's our barbecue again. Who knows what's going on? I don't know about this next climb though, Sean. I don't know if we thought this one fucking through. Sean confidently came through this trail, but then we've got that climb over there. He seems like we're gonna drive that up there. Just intended to win it, not a break. Oh, Kevin is gonna have a way harder time with that. I don't think Kevin is gonna have an easy go. I don't know, one shot. You got it. We've never done this trail backwards. Doesn't have a lot of wheelbase for this climb. That's it. We're back down at Jim's place. It's pouring rain, hard as hell. So we're calling it a day. It's getting dark out, and we're heading home. But because I didn't wheel my rig today or break anything, it means that I'm gonna go wheeling on Saturday. So stay tuned. More wheeling coming up soon. We're gonna cut some more trails over Pathmaker Heights. Cheers. Not gonna wheel too hard. Said that before. That little tiny pecker pole is the only thing keeping us from falling. That did nothing to help my confidence with what's gonna happen next. Virgin terrain here.
Oh, now we're in the
Yeah, I see where we are. I want to make the trail along this rock.